Today, I've got a fun recipe to share. If you're looking for something unique and easy to prepare for Halloween, check out this featured recipe for monster mini pizzas. Perfect tasty treat for your next Halloween party and family get-together. The bonus, preparation is quick and easy. Let's begin by preheating the oven to 425 degrees. Get a small can or jar of black pitted olives. Slice the olives into round pieces. About a tablespoon of olives will do. For this recipe, I am preparing just 4 mini pizzas. So double up the ingredients if you are preparing more than 4. Also grab some sweet peppers, preferably in red, yellow, or green, and slice the peppers into thin strips. Get about 1½ cup of ground beef. Crumble the ground beef in a plate, then in a frying pan or skillet, place 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Place the beef in the pan and cook the beef over medium heat, 5 to 7 minutes, until the meat is no longer pink in color. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried onion flakes, a dash of black ground pepper, and 1 teaspoon dried parsley. Once cooked, remove the meat from the pan, draining any excess oil with a paper towel, and then set aside. Get a package of split English muffins, and then place them in a cookie baking pan. Line your baking pan with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Get your favorite pizza or pasta sauce, about a cup, and then spread the tops of the English muffins with the sauce, spreading evenly. Add the cooked ground beef on top of the pizza sauce. Then sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of shredded mozzarella cheese. Complete the face of your monster pizza, black olives for the eyes, and then the strips of sweet pepper for the monster lips, fangs, and mouth. Are creepy cute. Next, bake the mini pizzas in the oven at 425 degrees. Bake the pizzas for 5 minutes or until the cheese is slightly melted. One delicious variation is by using pre-cooked thin slices of sausage instead of the ground beef. And if you're looking for more Halloween creepy cooking recipes, check out my featured recipe on Spookylicious Ghost Cupcakes.